Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. How do you manage application dependencies in Amazon Elastic Beanstalk? Depend on AWS Lambda. Use AWS CloudTrail. Manually install them on each instance. Include them in the zip file or use a dependency manager. Dependencies can be managed by including them in the application package or using a dependency manager like pip for Python. What does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk automatically manage for your application? Client-side code, scaling and load balancing, database schema, third-party integrations. Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles the scaling and load balancing of your application to meet demand. In Amazon Elastic Beanstalk, what does an environment consist of? A Docker container, an application version and configuration settings, a VPC and subnets, an IAM role. An environment in Elastic Beanstalk consists of an application version and configuration settings. What is the benefit of using Amazon Elastic Beanstalk's Managed Updates feature? Increased control over update process. Automatic updates with minimal downtime. No need for backups. Manual intervention required. Managed updates provide automatic updates with minimal downtime, ensuring your environment is up to date. How does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk support versioning of applications? By using EC2 snapshots. By using CloudFormation stacks. By using S3 versioning. By allowing multiple application versions to be deployed. Elastic Beanstalk supports versioning by allowing multiple versions of an application to be deployed and managed. Which AWS IAM role is required for Amazon Elastic Beanstalk to function correctly? Read-only role, instance profile role, user role, service role. Elastic Beanstalk requires an instance profile role to be attached to EC2 instances for proper functioning. What kind of monitoring metrics does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk provide through CloudWatch? Disk I/O, DNS queries, CPU utilization, latency, request count, database query performance. Elastic Beanstalk provides monitoring metrics such as CPU utilization, latency, and request count through CloudWatch. What types of environments can you create in Amazon Elastic Beanstalk? Streaming media environments, web server environments and worker environments, blockchain environments, static hosting environments. Elastic Beanstalk supports creating both web server environments and worker environments. What is the primary function of Amazon Elastic Beanstalk's health monitoring system? To analyze application code for bugs. To back up data periodically. To monitor and report the health of instances in the environment. To perform security audits. Elastic Beanstalk's health monitoring system checks and reports the health status of instances running in the environment. What must you configure to enable HTTPS for your Amazon Elastic Beanstalk environment? SSL/TLS certificate. Security group. IAM policy. VPC endpoint. To enable HTTPS, you need to configure an SSL/TLS certificate for your Elastic Beanstalk environment. What is a benefit of using Amazon Elastic Beanstalk? Direct control over underlying resources. Automatic environment provisioning. Manual scaling configuration. Exclusive use of serverless architecture. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies deployment by automatically provisioning the necessary resources and infrastructure. What happens when you terminate an Amazon Elastic Beanstalk environment? The data in S3 is lost. EC2 instances are preserved. The environment is paused but not deleted. All AWS resources created for the environment are deleted. When you terminate an Elastic Beanstalk environment, all associated AWS resources are deleted. What type of scaling does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk support? Serverless scaling. Vertical and horizontal scaling. Only horizontal scaling. Only vertical scaling. Elastic Beanstalk supports both vertical and horizontal scaling to meet application demands. Which file format is commonly used for Amazon Elastic Beanstalk configuration files? TXT, CSV, YAML, XML. YAML is a commonly used file format for configuration files in Elastic Beanstalk. How does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk help with cost management? By integrating with AWS Outposts. By providing fixed pricing. By offering reserved instances. By automatically scaling resources based on demand. Elastic Beanstalk helps manage costs by automatically scaling resources based on demand, reducing unnecessary expenditure. What is the default limit for the number of environments per AWS account in Amazon Elastic Beanstalk? 100 environments. 40 environments. 50 environments. 10 environments. The default limit for the number of environments per AWS account is 40. What feature of Amazon Elastic Beanstalk helps in applying updates with zero downtime? Cold migrations. Manual updates. Rolling deployments. Exclusive batch processing. Elastic Beanstalk supports rolling deployments which help apply updates without any downtime. What is the AWS Elastic Beanstalk feature that automatically adjusts the number of instances based on demand? Elastic load balancing. Elastic IP. Manual scaling. Auto scaling. Auto-scaling in Elastic Beanstalk adjusts the number of instances automatically based on demand. What is the primary purpose of AWS Elastic Beanstalk environments tags? To organize and manage AWS resources. To store log files. To manage user access. To execute code. Tags help organize and manage AWS resources by allowing you to categorize them for better visibility. Can you customize the underlying infrastructure of an Amazon Elastic Beanstalk environment? No, Elastic Beanstalk does not allow customization. Yes, using configuration files. Only for network resources. Only for storage resources. You can customize the infrastructure of an Elastic Beanstalk environment using configuration files. How can you ensure your Amazon Elastic Beanstalk environment meets compliance requirements? Use AWS config rules. Disable auto-scaling. Manually configure each instance. Enable Elastic Beanstalk managed updates. AWS config rules can be used to ensure Elastic Beanstalk environments meet compliance requirements. Which AWS service is integrated with Amazon Elastic Beanstalk for application monitoring? Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon RDS. Amazon S3. AWS Glue. Elastic Beanstalk integrates with Amazon CloudWatch to provide monitoring and logging for your applications. What does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk use to deploy applications in Docker containers? AWS Fargate. Amazon ECS. AWS Lambda. Multi-container Docker platform. Elastic Beanstalk uses the multi-container Docker platform to deploy applications in Docker containers. What can you use to automate the deployment of updates to your Amazon Elastic Beanstalk environment? AWS Code Pipeline. AWS Lambda. AWS Direct Connect. Amazon CloudFront. AWS Code Pipeline can automate the deployment of updates to Elastic Beanstalk environments. What does Amazon Elastic Beanstalk use to store logs for your application? Amazon S3 and CloudWatch logs. AWS Glue. AWS Snowball. Amazon EBS. Logs are stored in Amazon S3 and CloudWatch logs for easy access and analysis. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.